In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Steam download when download restarts. If you've ever seen a big download jump back to what looks like the beginning, don't panic. Steam often isn't starting over, it's just rechecking what you already have. The key is to avoid making it worse and to gently nudge Steam to pick up where it left off. First, if the download appears to restart, do not hit re-download or delete anything. Instead, pause the download. This prevents Steam from overwriting good data or creating more temporary files that can confuse the client. Next, fully exit Steam and reopen it. Use Steam in the top left corner. Then choose Exit, so the app closes completely. When you start Steam again, it will typically trigger a validation pass on the files you've already downloaded. This step is important because Steam compares what's on your drive to what it expects, and then resumes only the missing pieces. When you see 0% after the restart, that often means validation is running, not that your download has actually reset. Let it sit for a few minutes. You may not see the percentage jump right away, but as the check finishes, your progress should return and the remaining content will continue downloading. If it still seems stuck, try a simple pause and resume. Pause the download. Wait about a minute and then resume. This quick toggle often prompts Steam to refresh its status and kick off validation again without you having to restart the whole client. If you are still not seeing progress, clear the download cache. Go to Steam, then Settings, then Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary files that can prevent a download from resuming properly. After clearing the cache, Steam will ask you to sign in again and will reinitialize downloads. Don't worry, your games and existing data remain on your drive. You are just clearing the temporary items that can cause hiccups. From here, let Steam run. Expect to see 0% during portions of validation and give it a few minutes. Most of the time, the client recognizes what's already downloaded and carries on with only the remaining data, saving you from a full re-download. That's it. Thanks for watching.